Plywood is great for building DIY projects, but the exposed edges don't look good. There's an easy way to cover those edges though, and create a solid wood look using iron-on edge banding. It's just a thin strip of wood veneer with a heat-activated adhesive on the back. It's available in several different species and widths. The tools for applying it are simple. You just need an ordinary iron, a pair of scissors, some sandpaper, and one specialty tool, a veneer edge band trimmer, which you can pick up for about 10 bucks. Applying iron-on veneer is easy. First, cut a piece a bit extra long, and then put it on the edge you want to cover. With a hot iron, go over the surface to activate the adhesive until the veneer is stuck down. Once the edging is stuck down, you need to trim it to width because it's made just a little extra wide. That's where the trimmer is used. After trimming, just sand that edge smooth, and you'll create a great solid wood look on your plywood projects.